Have you ever wondered if the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence could have dire consequences? Today, we find ourselves in the throes of a technological revolution, captivated by the allure of AI. Its potential seems limitless, promising to revolutionize fields from healthcare to transportation, education to entertainment, and beyond. The speed at which AI is evolving is nothing short of breathtaking. Every day, new algorithms are born, each more sophisticated than the last, each holding the promise to transform our world in ways we are only just beginning to comprehend. Yet, like a double-edged sword, with this great promise comes great peril. As we entrust more of our lives to these intelligent machines, we must also confront some unsettling questions. What if this tool, designed with the noblest of intentions to make our lives easier, more efficient, and more connected, turns against us? But what happens when the very tool designed to make life easier starts creating problems? Consider this. What if your job no longer needed you because a machine can do it faster and cheaper? Let's delve into a case study of job displacement due to automation. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries, from healthcare to transportation, and even customer service. But this progress comes at a cost. Human jobs. Let's take the manufacturing sector, for example. Robots, controlled by complex AI algorithms, now handle tasks that were once performed by humans. They work around the clock, with precision and without breaks. The result? Increased efficiency and reduced production costs. But the downside is significant too. Massive layoffs. According to estimates, in the United States alone, over 20 million manufacturing jobs have been lost to automation since the turn of the millennium. That's a sobering statistic, isn't it? And it's not just manufacturing. The retail sector is feeling the pinch too. Self-checkout machines and online shopping algorithms are becoming increasingly common, reducing the need for human cashiers and sales assistants. Even creative fields are not immune. AI can now write news articles, compose music, and even create art, challenging the notion that these tasks require a human touch. So, the question that we must grapple with is this: as more sectors embrace AI and automation, what happens to the human workforce? How do we adapt in this age of rapid technological advancement and ensure that people aren't left behind? When machines take over, where does that leave the human workforce? Imagine a world where every click, every like, every comment you make is being monitored and analyzed. Welcome to the reality of today's digital landscape. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a tool for convenience and efficiency. It has also become a means for tracking, analyzing, and potentially misusing user data. This invasion of privacy is no longer a figment of dystopian fiction. It's a tangible issue that we face every day. Consider this. When you're scrolling through your favorite social media platform, AI algorithms are working behind the scenes, collecting data about your likes, interests, and even your location. This information is used to tailor content that captures your attention and keeps you engaged. But what happens when this data falls into the wrong hands? Let's delve into a real-life example. In 2017, a major social media platform was embroiled in controversy when it was revealed that the data of 87 million users had been harvested for political advertising. This was not a simple breach of trust. It was a glaring example of how AI can be weaponized to intrude on our personal lives. The allure of AI lies in its ability to make our lives easier. It learns our habits, anticipates our needs, and delivers personalized experiences. But at what cost? Are we willing to trade our privacy for the sake of convenience? Does convenience outweigh the potential threat to our privacy? So, we see that while AI holds great promise, it also brings with it significant challenges. The power of artificial intelligence, while enchanting, can cast a long and ominous shadow. We've examined two of these shadows in depth: the threat of job displacement and the potential invasion of our personal privacy. The fear of machines replacing human labor is not new, but the speed and scale at which AI could make this a reality are unprecedented. It's a change that could reshape societies, economies, and even our sense of self-worth. Equally disquieting is the prospect of our private lives becoming an open book to AI systems. These invisible observers could track our every move, our every preference, and use it in ways we might not even realize. As we stand on the brink of this brave new world, we must tread carefully, ensuring that the deployment of AI is guided by thoughtful regulation and ethical considerations. We must ask ourselves, is the future of AI a utopian dream or a dystopian nightmare?